Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the McNally RANDTAB8, an 8-inch tablet specifically designed for truck drivers. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting, this device promises to enhance your driving experience with superior navigation and real-time updates. Let's see how it performs and if it's worth adding to your trucking essentials. First off, this tablet offers advanced navigation powered by McNally's latest truck mapping software. It comes with a brand new, intuitive user interface that's built to simplify your trips. The visuals are impressive, with smooth transitions and 3D renderings of buildings and landmarks. Drivers can easily spot exits, highways, and get detailed weather overlays to prepare for the road ahead. And don't forget there's live traffic and fuel updates essential for saving time and money on long hauls. The RANDTAB8 doesn't just stop at navigation. It's designed with durability in mind. The rugged rubber guard protects the device from the bumps and vibrations of the road, while the rear camera adds extra functionality for image capture. Plus, the powered magnetic mount ensures secure placement in your cab, and the USB-C connection provides reliable charging. It's a tech companion tough enough for the job. One of the standout features is the built-in safety alerts. You'll be notified about speed cameras and safety events, giving you an added layer of awareness while driving. The Wi-Fi connectivity unlocks advanced routing features, but keep in mind, it's necessary for accessing real-time traffic and weather updates. It's a comprehensive tool that combines essential trucking functions with everyday tech convenience. Overall, the McNally RANDTAB8 packs a punch with its truck-specific navigation and robust design. But is it the perfect match for your road adventures? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product insights. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and drive safe.